Yeah, you can feed this. You see the teeth?
Eat it.
Okay. It's the teeth. The teeth so big.
The teeth are big.
Up. Oh my. Oh, look at us. The grandmother one her lot two teeth already. I will show you guys. Wait, grandmother? Her chew so slow. Look at her.
Yeah.
Oh, you enjoy food? You enjoy banana?
You get one. You get one.
Her grab. Her still have there.
Yeah.
Oh, mama, bon abak.
You know, kind of like wipe this.
Bon.
Right.
Oh. Bon, open your mouth. I will. Kolasu mani ma. Elephant. Where is the big male there? You see? Bon, abak di. He there. You see? The grandmother chew.
Bun. Ooh.
You see, I will show you. Abak di. You see her lot two teeth. Bon abak go on. This one, this. Bon her still has sick. Bonsu her lot one. You see? Hey. Bon abak go on. Bon abak. Oh, okay, you can feed them like this. Okay, Valentino. You see? Valentino is the Valentino. You see the first beginning they eat very fast. Now they get full a bit already. Hey, Kolasu bon noodle here. Kolasu ask quit the pool here. Nè nó có sao là clear. Mà nè Kolasu bon. Kolasu bon. Mà nè mà lơ su lên nè. Ngọt xịt. Su. Come here. Banana.
Okay. I like Andy Sam.
Let's go straight to the basket.
Banana. He coming.